There is also another important thing I would like to talk about, which is paying your executors. A lot of people don't believe that it is necessary to pay executors. Yes, you have to pay your executors, even if they are your brothers, uncles, aunties, or friends. You need to make provision for payment of the executors. You know why? Because the responsibility and the duties of an executor is so enormous and it is quite daunting. It is very hectic. At times, obtaining probate of your will can take up to 2 years. If you're lucky, within 1 year. But what would happen to the executors during this period? Yes, that is just to obtain probate, taking 2 years. So after obtaining probate, then they have to go ahead to open bank accounts and start to gather the assets and distribution of the assets. Of course, these executors will have meetings, they will visit certain places, go to bank, have meetings with different people. They would incur a lot of cost at the time of distributing your estate. So no matter how little it is, make provision for that in your will, just as a form of compensation. Do you also know that persons that you appoint as executors can renounce probate, which simply means that they will tell the court that they are not willing to act as executors in the matter, in the distribution of your estate. So what happens? I have seen situations whereby some people commence the distribution of the estate, but at some point in time, because of the chaos happening in the family, they just want to get out. All the troubles, different children fighting each other, different uncles, aunties, relatives fighting each other, and they are stuck in between. And they're like, okay, after all, I'm not getting anything out of this. Why should I continue to kill myself here? My friend is dead and gone, but I'm not going to die because I'm trying to distribute his estate. For reasons such as that, they renounced probate and they said they are no longer interested in distributing the estate. So what happens? So don't turn a blind eye and say, oh, he's my friend, he's my bosom friend, we've been friends since childhood, I'm sure he's going to have my back. Yes, he wants to have your back, but not at the detriment of his life. Of course, he wants to also live for his own family. It is important that you make provisions for payment of your executors. So there is no harm in making provisions for your executors' payment in your will.